In front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to choose Device Unlock and tap on Face Unlock section available here. Now, if you cannot continue, that's because you don't have screen lock. In order to set up face recognition, you need to have it. Don't worry though, you can go back, hit screen lock here and set it up. Then go back to Face Unlock, enter it, and tap on Setup at the bottom right corner twice. Then keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you finished, you need to decide if you want to enable or disable Skip Lock Screen and Leave to Unlock by tapping on those two switches. When you're ready, hit Next and tap on Done. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!